So my boss told me that if we just put corn on the cob right in the microwave for 4 minutes, we'll hold that.
Sure.
Then you let it cool a little bit. Where's the big knife? There it is. He says, chop the end off. And then it should squeeze right out of there. No silk or nothing. Look at that.
Nice. Careful not to that knife.
Perfect.
Perfect. Now it's the other one.
Okay. We'll do the
Okay, should I
other
stop it?
one. No. Squeeze. Squeeze. Give it a little pull. Oh, that did work good.
All right.
Thanks, Gail. You were right.